Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your LENOVO Tab M10, for the first you have to open the settings. Right now we have to go for the connected devices and tap on the connection preferences. Here we have to tap on the printing and click on the default print service. Right now our smartphone connects automatically to the printer, to the HP Color LaserJet Pro. And right now if you want to print something, you have to go for that file. So I'm going to pick up the picture. And in the most cases we will be able to print the picture or any other file, for example the PDF, with this default print service. But sometimes happen that you have to download the plugin to your printer. So let's check how it is going to look in this device. So tap right here. Okay, so next go here. As you can see right now there is no printing option. So we have to go back to our printer, to the default print service, then just go back, click to add the service. Click here for the HP print service plugin. Of course in my case, because I have the printer from the HP company. If you have from any other, you have to get that plugin that responds to your company. And right now we can open. Slide 4 times, swipe, accept with the switchers, tap start, and then we can go back to the settings one more time. And here we have the HP print service, as you can see. So right now we have to go for our picture. Click right here, and as you can see right now we are able to pick up the HP print service plugin. Select your printer, and right now all you have to do is just to tap on this icon of the printer to print this file. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.